Hi, it's Finn from Fine & Country Estate Agents, and behind me is the absolutely fantastic Higher Chuggerton. So the property is set within the popular North Devon village of Cobberton. It's also within short distance of both market towns of Barnstable and South Molton as well. Higher Chuggerton sits on a plot size of approximately 1.2 acres. As you can see, the gardens are really well maintained. There's a double garage, off-road parking for several vehicles, and the accommodation on offer truly is remarkable. There really is bundles of character with this home, and I think it's fair to say that you're actually purchasing a piece of history when buying Higher Chuggerton. So the property itself was previously owned by the leader of the Liberal Party, Jeremy Thorpe. He resided here for many years and, like the present owners, completely fell in love with the home. With some parts of the home dating back to the 12th century, it's fair to say that there are plenty of period features being offered with this Grade 2 listed gem. In Jeremy Thorpe's autobiography, he has a whole chapter dedicated to this property. He signs off the chapter by saying that Higher Chuggerton is the closest place on earth to paradise. It's hard not to agree. So that gives you a basic understanding as to what this beautiful home offers. So let's go on inside and take a look, shall we? Thank you for watching our video tour. Please do just give our office a call should you wish to arrange a viewing. We'll speak to you soon.